What's going on today, guys? So welcome back to the channel. First of all, I haven't posted in a while. I've had a lot of personal stuff going on that's really drastically changed my life, so I had to kind of work around that, get through it, but we're past that point now. So today's video, we are building a Sidewinder turbo kit for a 2013 Honda Civic Si. This will work on pretty much any 9th gen Si. This particular kit was kind of a test kit, and it was my brother's car. You know, him and I were able to talk things through, kind of work things out. He was comfortable with doing things like relocating the computer, the fuse box, thinning out the wiring in the engine bay, removing some loom, kind of moving things around, tucking the wires. The next one that I'm going to make is going to be more so of a basic bolt-on kit. You don't have to move anything, but we'll get into that later. I'm going to show you kind of the process of me welding everything. We got it ceramic coated. Shout out to my boy Curtis. He does a lot of good powder coating locally. Here's that. I got this awesome kit from Jegs. It was about 300 bucks for some 3-inch exhausts, but it came with a bunch of 90s, 4-foot straights, some 45s. Basically all I used on this was a 90 and a 45. So like I just got that for myself to have extra for the next kit I do, hint hint. But basically all I'm doing is, we had this downpipe. It was a full race downpipe. We cut the end of it off to give us the flange. It's a weird flange on these case 24 Z7s, but it's one exhaust port. It's ovular. It goes into a 3-inch circular. I have that going all the way down to a 3-inch V-band. Then I have a 3-inch V-band to a T4 turbo adapter, and then turbo is going to bolt right onto that. So you can see here, this is kind of the whereabouts of where the turbo is going to sit in this beautiful engine bay. Sidewinder is going to go from the center of the head all the way over, and it's going to sit right about there, and then with the adapter and everything. Turbo will be in this general area, not exactly there, it's just kind of chilling. We are going to have to move the computer on this build because Honda decided to put the computer right there for whatever reason. Put the new bandsaw to work from Harbor Freight. It's been great, honestly. The blade keeps coming off, tensioner's a little whack, but other than that, good investment. You know, $300 bandsaw. It's done everything I needed to do. I just have to reset the blade every now and again. That might be my fault, like cutting error, but we're gonna jump into this. I've been recording me welding, so basically all today's gonna be about is welding and then placement. So. Alright guys, so as you can see, I got the Sidewinder done. It comes all the way out to here. I have a 3-inch V-band to a 3-inch V-band to a T4. It's got some funky weld going on right here. I gotta fix that up. But for this, the turbo kind of sits everywhere. So we went ahead and tucked the ECU underneath the fender. It is in a safe spot, safe and contained. And then we got some wiring here for the air ride and the battery that we got to kind of tighten up. And clean up. Clean up especially. And then we're going to have to move this. I'm PG-13. Master cylinder reservoir is going to be moved. We're probably going to put it on the opposite side of the engine bay just to keep all the heat away from that brake fluid as possible.
Oh, we can't let even know her, dude.
Oh, dude, this is Jean. Juicy's girlfriend. Together they're Juicy J. G starts with a G.
Oh, shoot, he got me. All right, this is
Katie.
Shania
That's,
Twain.
it's Katie.
Oh, that's Juice.
My girlfriend.
That's Logan. That's Katie. Like
Together,
K8E. And together, they're basically married. It's kind of weird. Yeah, Katie comes out and chills sometimes. She even wrote the name of Callie, the car, on here. 2013. Why'd you put that? It's 2020.
The Civic.
Oh, shit. So here's a close-up.
All right, we're back. Might look like I forgot to do the intro and the outro, so I'm doing it all right now in my bedroom. That might be true. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and check out the next video. We're going to be posting a lot. I've got a lot to catch up on. I've got 3 32 gigabyte SD cards full, so there's a lot of content coming up. I just needed some time, and now we're good there, so we're going to be catching up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check out my brother's channel. I'll put it right here. Or right here, maybe in the middle, I don't know. But, see you later.